everyone. My name is Parsurez. I'm the Director of Communication here in Canada College. I'm here with one of our new students in DVS, Health Assistant in Nursing. So I'm going to let her present herself. What was her experience from the moment she heard about us all the way to how she got here right now today at the coordination day? You can start now.
Hello everyone, I'm Badra Ramdi. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a new student of college, Canada College, DVA student of Assistant in Nursing. I heard about the school back when I was in my country. I wasn't expecting all this, but wow, I'm really surprised, and it's actually nice and beautiful here. Like when I got admission, like 2 weeks, it didn't take long. I didn't have any problem during my visa stage. Everything was going smoothly. Like even at the port of entry, like hearing the name of the school, I was granted. Not like everything was just so fine, nice, and everything. But when I got to the school last week, also the orientation we hold this week. So the staff and everybody was so nice. They were ready to assist students. Everything was so nice and beautiful here. And the orientation was, I really enjoyed myself. And I'm sure I will continue enjoying myself here.
Super. Great. Thank you so much for that. I really hope that throughout the next 2 years of your time that you're going to be with us, that you're going to be supported, and I'm sure that it's going to be the case, and that the Canada College family, the staff from the administration office all the way to the DVS program, people within it, all the staff will help you out through the entire process, I'm sure of it. And I really wish that you will be successful, and I'm sure you will be towards the end of your studies. And thank you for choosing Canada College.